officially going to start the Corvette with the new long tube headers and the eBay X-Pipe or Catless X-Pipe with the Borla S-Type mufflers. I just got done installing these a few days ago, and I just haven't gotten around to actually taking it off the jack stands and taking it for a drive. So today we're officially going to go do that. Kind of wanted to show you guys exactly what went into making this install go in. Now I know there's other videos out there that show you guys how to do these, but it seems like everyone has a different solution how they put theirs in there. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of briefly go over what I did to get mine in there. Because I removed both center spark plugs out of the way, and I also unbolted the starter. Alright, got the driver's side out. Wasn't that hard at all, easy. But going back in is probably going to be a different story, that's for sure. Alright. Man, these C5 headers, driver's side, wow, what a pain in the ass. So I had to take the Velcro off, alternator off. I had to take the intermediate shaft out. Oil filter had to remove. The oil filter cooler bracket I had to take off. And then I had to grind down a little bit on the alternator bracket here. Not a big deal, just a little bit. Instead of removing the whole thing, I just grinded it down. Lowered the subframe a little bit. I just had to remove the bolts and then jack the car up from the body so it'll separate from the subframe. And then it finally went in. But my gosh, that was a pain in the ass. Oh, at least an hour trying to get this stupid thing in. I was trying to force it in at first, but that wasn't gonna happen. I had to take all this stuff off. Never again. Wow. The driver's side was a pain in the ass, guys. Let me tell you what. The passenger side, not a big deal. Really, really simple. Now let's go take a look on the bottom. And as far as the FlowTech headers bolting up to the X-Pipe, or at least the eBay X-Pipe, no issues there. The X-Pipe, the Catless X-Pipe bolting up to the Borla S-Type mufflers, no issues there either. Now as far as O2 sensors go, guys, I did not bolt the front ones up. You couldn't bolt the front ones up to the to these headers here, because on the driver's side you can, but on the passenger side, I don't know if I can show you, but where the bung is for the O2, it's like that far away from the body, so the O2 sensor would not even fit there, because the O2 sensor is like that long and there's like that much room between the header and the body. So either you have to buy an adapter that would put it 90 on there, or what I did was basically I removed, see if I can show you guys, I removed on the back side, there's these bungs here with a nut or the bolt. I removed those two off the back and basically capped them off on the front two, and then I bolted up, or I inserted the front O2 sensors in the back, and I bought some extensions that would hook up the front O2 sensor from way up here all the way to the connector up top. I'll show you guys the extensions, but yeah, it's in there. It looks good. Hopefully it's gonna sound good. Yeah, I don't have an issue. There's no issue as far as like them hanging down as far as the X-Pipe, but the only thing that hangs down really is the long tube header flange there where it bolts up to the X-Pipe, but it's not much. But I'm gonna show you guys what I bought as far as the adapters here, or the extensions. How about these? They're from Jegs. They're, I think, like 50 bucks or 40 bucks. You just need two, one for passenger and driver side. That's the part number and stuff. Alright, car's on the ground. Let's start this thing up. Let's see what this sounds like. Man, I think it sounds good. Sounds good. Let's go take it for a drive.